Space is beautiful, but it's also cold, silent, and absolutely terrifying. Beyond the stars and galaxies lies a universe full of danger, mystery, and things that defy logic. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 most terrifying facts about space, the kind that will make you look at the night sky a little differently. Before we dive into the dark side of the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating and fear-inducing space content. Let's take a deep breath and head into the void. 10. You would die in space within 90 seconds. Without a spacesuit, space would kill you in the most unpleasant ways possible. First, the saliva on your tongue would boil due to the vacuum. Your blood wouldn't boil immediately, but you lose consciousness within 15 seconds as oxygen disappears from your bloodstream. Your body would swell to twice its normal size as gases expanded, but you wouldn't explode like in movies. After about 90 seconds, you'd be dead from oxygen deprivation, having experienced the most terrifying minute and a half imaginable, while your body slowly shut down in the cosmic void. 9. Rogue black holes are racing through space undetected. Millions of black holes are hurtling through our galaxy at incredible speeds, completely invisible until they're close enough to destroy everything in their path. These cosmic monsters could be heading toward our solar system right now, and we have no way of detecting them until they started devouring nearby stars. A rogue black hole could obliterate Earth without warning, stretching our planet into a thin stream of particles in a process called spaghettification. The most terrifying part: there's absolutely nothing we could do to stop it. 8. The Great Silence suggests that something destroys all advanced civilizations. The Fermi paradox highlights a disturbing possibility. If the universe should be teeming with intelligent life, where is everyone? The silence might indicate that something systematically destroys all advanced civilizations before they can spread across the galaxy. This great filter could be ahead of us, meaning humanity might be doomed to face the same fate that befell countless other species. Perhaps every civilization that reaches our level of development encounters something so devastating that it leaves no trace behind. 7. Gamma-ray bursts can sterilize entire regions of space. Gamma-ray bursts are the most powerful explosions in the universe, releasing more energy in seconds than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime. These cosmic death rays can strip away a planet's ozone layer from thousands of light years away, exposing all life to lethal radiation. If a gamma-ray burst occurred within 6,000 light years of Earth and pointed in our direction, it would cause a mass extinction event that would make the dinosaur extinction look minor. The terrifying reality is that we wouldn't see it coming until it was already destroying our atmosphere. 6. The universe is expanding so fast that most galaxies will eventually disappear. Due to dark energy accelerating the universe's expansion, distant galaxies are moving away from us faster than light can travel. This means that future civilizations will look up at a night sky containing only our local galaxy cluster, completely unaware that billions of other galaxies exist. The universe is literally erasing evidence of itself, and eventually, even nearby galaxies will fade from view. Humanity might be among the last beings to witness the full cosmic web before it disappears forever into the darkness. 5. Vacuum decay could instantly destroy everything that exists. If the Higgs field that gives particles their mass is in a false vacuum state, it could suddenly collapse to a lower energy level, creating a bubble of destruction expanding at the speed of light. This bubble would rewrite the laws of physics, disintegrating every atom in its path. The most horrifying aspect is that this bubble could have already formed somewhere in the universe and be racing toward us right now. We would never see it coming, and when it arrived, reality itself would cease to exist in the way we understand it. 4. Magnetars could cook you from 600 miles away. Magnetars are neutron stars with magnetic fields 1 trillion times stronger than Earth's. These cosmic monsters emit radiation so intense that a magnetar located 600 miles from Earth would strip away your body's molecular bonds and cook you alive with X-rays. The magnetic field is so powerful, it would warp the very atoms in your body. If a magnetar existed in our solar system, it would erase all the information on every credit card and hard drive on Earth, while simultaneously delivering a lethal dose of radiation to every living thing. 3. The Sun will eventually expand and consume Earth. In about 5 billion years, our Sun will begin dying, expanding into a red giant that will engulf Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth. Even if our planet isn't directly consumed, the Sun's expansion will boil away our oceans and incinerate our atmosphere, leaving behind a charred, lifeless rock. The dying Sun will then shed its outer layers, briefly illuminating the solar system one last time before collapsing into a white dwarf. This isn't a distant possibility. It's our solar system's guaranteed fate, written in the laws of stellar evolution. 2. False vacuum collapse could have already begun. Quantum field theory proposes that the vacuum of space, what we think of as empty, may not be in its lowest possible energy state. Instead, it could be in a metastable state, like a ball resting in a shallow valley, while a deeper valley exists nearby. If the universe is indeed metastable, a quantum fluctuation or high-energy event could cause a transition to a true vacuum, a state with even lower energy and entirely different physical laws. If such a vacuum decay occurs, it would trigger the formation of a bubble of true vacuum that expands outward at nearly the speed of light. Inside this bubble, the fundamental constants and forces of nature could be radically different, making atoms, matter, and life as we know it impossible. Anything the bubble touches would be instantly destroyed and replaced by this new version of reality. 1. Heat death will eventually erase all evidence that anything ever existed. The heat death of the universe is a scientific prediction of its ultimate fate, grounded in the laws of thermodynamics. It describes a future where the universe reaches a state of maximum entropy, meaning all usable energy has been exhausted, and no work or activity is possible anymore. Over unimaginably long timescales, all stars will eventually burn out, ceasing to produce light or heat. Some will collapse into black holes, while others will become cold, dead remnants like white dwarfs or neutron stars. Galaxies will grow darker as their stars die, and new stars will no longer form because the gas needed to make them will be used up or too dispersed. In this distant future, the universe will be dark, cold, and silent. Space will continue expanding, stretching the remaining particles so far apart that interactions become impossible. No life, no light, no structure, just a vast emptiness where the memory of existence itself has vanished. This final stage is not a dramatic event, but a slow, inevitable fading into nothingness. The universe isn't just awe-inspiring, it's also ruthless, unpredictable, and filled with chilling unknowns. But sometimes, facing the scary stuff makes it all the more fascinating. If any of these facts gave you goosebumps, let us know in the comments, or share your own favorite space horror. And if you want more strange and stunning cosmic truths, don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell. Until next time, sleep tight, and maybe don't look up for too long.